Okay, let's talk about two tools that are very important in reading comprehension. As you know, reading comprehension tests your ability to logically analyze, so there's two critical tools. SAR, simplify, analyze, reduce, and restate. That's your tool for logically analyzing. And process of elimination, PO. Process of elimination is remembering that each of the answer choices in a reading comprehension question is wrong for a specific reason. And you have to find out why each answer choice is wrong, except one that cannot be eliminated because it doesn't contradict anything inside the passage. So every answer choice on a reading comprehension question is wrong for a particular reason, but one. So analyzing requires that you look at the passage, and also it requires that you look at the question stem. So you're reading along inside the passage, you get over to your questions. Don't try and remember too much outside of the passage until a question demands it. There's a lot there inside those passages. Trying to remember it all will be virtually impossible and will cloud your mind with information that you may not need. So wait for a question stem to actually demand a piece of information that you've already read before you bring it into basically onto your desktop inside your mind and figure it out. And also analyzing each answer choice. Each answer choice, like I said, is critically important because each one of them is wrong. They're all distractors except one, and there's a particular reason why each one is wrong. And so you're analyzing both the information in the passage, you're analyzing the question stem, and you're analyzing the answer choices. Okay, let's talk about some helpful hints in doing the SARing, simplifying, analyzing, reducing, and restating. That's your logical analysis. Active reading. Active reading is the process of anticipating where the author is going, engaging, so to speak, inside the passage, becoming part of it, which means that you can expect or you might predict where the author is going with it. If you're doing those things, expecting, predicting, engaging, that means that you're not just passively reading it, you're trying to get into the passage so that you can understand it better. If you employ some of those techniques, you'll understand the passage better, it becomes more a part of you, and you'll do better at answering the questions. Another technique is looking at the structure. So not only to understand the whole passage, not only engaging, actively reading, but also taking a look at the structure of the passage. The structure is critically important because the structure will lend itself, every passage is structured in a certain manner. So look for lists, punctuation, names, quotes, key or transitional words. Look for topic sentences. Remember your English teacher teaching you how to write topic sentences? Well, now work it in reverse. As a reader, look for those topic sentences from the author. Avoid trying to remember, like I said, too much detail, and spend time initially with that outline, writing down what each of the paragraphs is about. Those are the tools that will be most useful to you inside of reading comprehension.